Ulo kayo. Sarap basakan may joggers. Nice. Bawi oh, bawi. Pisang kayo magdawat sa ano ba? Oh, ready? Out. Yung pong ginagawa ng sini. Ate, oh, wala na sa hangin.
Boys, South, with a between Jean Zachary Jr. and Valens Rafael of District 5 versus Carlos Andre and Felix Valdesino of District 10. Again, number 4, number 3. Gabor and Rafael of District 5 versus Samonte and Destino of District 10. Umpire, Sir Sobrano. 9 judges, Sir Labrador and Sir Valdo.
Out. Bang. Ay, sige. Josh, rocket na ko. Josh, rocket na ko.
Mami ko pa ako na.
Number 1 versus Willard and Ivan of District 3. Umpire, Sir Richard Ramos. 9 judges, Maurizio Amis and Yamha Gauran.
Ang kuwan na rin ito, speed niya ito. Tapos speed niya ito. Balo na siya magnet. Katulad na siya.
Walang sa'yo pa rin
Anger issues. Again, following ang Saki versus
Yun lang. Dapat mag-unlock siya.
Siguro ng Gethsemane area.
Unlock siya ng
The
Pacquiao.
near air of District 9, Peralta Cardones of District 10, Federal Lands Eve of District 6, Roy Rivera of District 7. Again, the following players are requested to stay at the assembly area. The near air and Peralta Cardones, Federal Lands Eve, and Roy Rivera. Also, calling the attention of
Bawi o. Bawi o, bawi. Kalaban ni Inspiro. Ay! Sure lang, sure. Balik ka si Jacob.
Uy! Wala pala ako. Yan. Tama dyan.
Oh, bawi. Bawi. Push siya sa likod. Nice one. Out.
Match number 47, boys, doubles, arcade between
Ay na lang.
and Gerald Escobar, Street versus
Out. Ano lang.
Ay, last year pa.
Sana lang oh.
Again, on part number 2, match number 47, boys, doubles. Arcade between Thompson, Toledo, and Gerald Escobar, District 3 versus Bird, P. Ozoy, and James Watson, District 4.
Oh, isa na lang. Gana ni Jazz. Oh, isa na lang. Sana lang.